So each individual blind now has its own channel, but what the customer would like is one channel that controls all. So we're going to create on the remote control on channel 2 a control all channel. Now the way to do this is program all your blinds, set them all up individually on each channel, select your control all channel, and you're going to go around each blind in the same way to basically copy it onto this control all channel. So the way that you do that is on the roller blind, you press the motor program button on the side of the blind, just hold it until it jogs once, and then you turn the remote over and you press the red program button on the back of the remote until the blind jogs. That will then basically copy the upper and lower limit over onto the control all channel. So I'm on channel 2, which is going to be the control all channel. I'm going to press my pen into the side of the blind, program button. The blind has jogged. I'm then going to turn the remote over. I'm going to tap really quickly the red program button on the back of the remote. And now when I'm on channel 2, the blind will operate. And when you press down, it will stop at its lower limit, and when you press up, it will stop at its upper limit. So it's copying the previous limits on channel 1 over onto channel 2. It will also copy the my limit as well. So that goes to the customer's midpoint. So now I'm going to move on to the next blind, stay on channel 2, repeat the process to the point where all of the blinds are operating off one channel. All the blinds are all individually set up to their own channel, and now they're all paired to a channel for a control all function. So this remote has a control all function, so I'm going to press down and you'll start to see all the blinds come down simultaneously. Also, when you copy the blinds over to a control all channel, it does also remember the my button. So the customer on channel 2 can press my, and the blinds will all go to their midpoint, which again gives the customer great flexibility, and it just means they can operate the blinds however they want to.